How has Iran responded to the latest drone attacks by the U.S. military? The answer reveals a complex mix of strategic restraint and bold retaliation that could reshape regional dynamics. Following the latest U.S. drone attacks, Iran responded quickly with missile strikes aimed at U.S. military bases in Iraq. These strikes were precise and intended to send a clear message without escalating into full-scale war. This shows Iran's capability and willingness to retaliate militarily, but with calculated restraint to avoid a wider conflict. Besides military retaliation, Iran ramped up diplomatic efforts, urging regional allies and international organizations to condemn U.S. drone strikes as violations of sovereignty. Tehran seeks to isolate the U.S. politically while strengthening ties with neighboring countries to build a united front. In addition to direct military and diplomatic responses, Iran continues to rely on proxy militias across the Middle East and cyber operations to undermine U.S. interests. These asymmetric tactics allow Iran to exert influence without overt confrontation, complicating U.S. military efforts in the region. Iran's leadership walks a fine line, balancing retaliation with strategic restraint. Public statements emphasize defending sovereignty and dignity while avoiding direct escalation to full-blown war. This careful messaging aims to rally domestic support and warn the U.S. without triggering uncontrollable conflict. Iran's response to the latest U.S. drone attacks blends military action, diplomatic pressure, covert tactics, and strategic messaging. This multifaceted approach keeps tensions high but controlled, shaping the Middle East's future. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.